Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ashwini, founder of Dermatouch India. Hope you all are healthy and fine in this COVID times. Today I am making a video of not any surgery or any procedure, but I am going to make a health drink which is good for your immunity or immunity booster, plus it is very good for your healthy glowing skin. And yes, the leftovers of this health drink are going to be used to make a nice face pack or face scrub. So let's see how it is. I'm going to take you to my kitchen today and show you how I'm going to make that drink. So all we need is fresh amla or Indian gooseberries and fresh turmeric to make this healthy drink. Very first we have to peel this turmeric nice and clean. I have already washed all the gooseberries and this turmeric with clean water, and now I am peeling this turmeric properly. The video credit goes to my 4-year-old son who is doing the video shooting for me. Once it's completely clean, now we can chop it into pieces. We have to chop both turmeric and our gooseberries. We have to chop them, de-seed them. You can choose your own proportion of gooseberries and turmeric. I prefer 1 proportion of fresh turmeric and 3 proportion of sliced gooseberries after de-seeding them. We have to put it in blender, add some water to it, and then it's ready to blend. With this we are getting a concentrated juice of vitamin C enriched gooseberries and turmeric, which is very good healing properties, skin purifying properties, which is good for our overall immunity, and it is also used as fairness agent in India. This has very thick consistency, so as we are sieving it through this sieve, we have to press it from above with a spoon so that all the juice is extracted from it, like this. You can see after pressing with a spoon all the juice is getting extracted. Like this we have to juice all the thick blended stuff of our gooseberries. To this concentrated juice you can add more water if you feel so. I can even have it just like this. According to your taste, you can add sugar, you can add rock salt, you can add black salt. I also prefer adding this black salt to it. Mix it properly, and like this our juice is ready. According to our taste, we can add other ingredients also to this juice as we wish. Nice, tasty, healthy, refreshing juice is ready. Now from the remnants of the juice which we have got in the sieve can be used as a face pack or nice face scrub. We can just apply it freshly prepared on our face and on our skin as well, provided our skin is oily. Dry skin people should avoid using this face pack. I advise using this twice a week, or if you have very oily skin you can even use it on daily basis. It is very useful for people who have acne, black spots on face, and this can be used by anyone for glowing skin. So guys, if you have liked the video, do like and subscribe to us, and yes, do follow us on our social media. Till then, bye bye.